How to fix a broken key. This is usually what happens. Plastic breaks, the key falls off, and you usually lose it, or hopefully you catch it in time and just put the key in your pocket. I'm going to show you a permanent fix for that problem. You can still reuse these keys when this happens. I don't get how they think they're what are they saving, like 5 cents maybe? By not making the entire key out of brass and then putting a little plastic on top? It's so stupid. Put the key on a flat surface. You're gonna want to have like concrete, something hard. And get a hammer. You're gonna take your hammer and hit this and break all this plastic off of the brass part of the key. Even though it's plastic, it is pretty hard. It's breaking apart now. Eventually it'll break off. Remove the plastic when you can. There we go. There's the key right there. Now we'll move on to step 2. Step 2, get a drill and a drill bit. Step 3, grasp the key with something. I'm going to use pliers. You can use a vise if you have that. Now we're simply going to drill a hole through this top portion of the key. And make sure the drill bit's not too big, because you don't want to make the hole too big and weaken the metal. And go slow to get the hole started, otherwise the drill bit's just going to run across it. Make sure you get the hole in the center as you can. But a little trick, you actually can sort of reuse a broken drill bit. You can get it in the chuck like that. I put the bit further down. That's really good. Now let's finish this off with the broken drill bit. Oh, look at that, pop right out. That's all there is to it. Now the final step, just put the key back on your key ring where it belongs, hanging out with its other key friends. This key is for a little padlock, but I know there's many other ones that tend to break too because the top is plastic, which is stupid. Miss those old brass keys, solid brass car keys. Even the little loop where you put the key ring at was all brass. So it was very rare that they'd break. What would happen was usually over time the brass right here that hits the tumblers and the lock would wear out, so it wouldn't unlock the lock anymore, so you'd have to replace the key, and this hole here would still be fine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and if you have any suggestions for future videos, leave a comment, and also give the video a like if it helped.